Rainbow, ang bilis ng ang bilis ng sagot dunya. Hello guys, we are lucky to be here. Big Buddha Day, Big Buddha's birthday. Yeah. First time ko siya.
Pabilog na.
Pero nakakita na ako ng bilog na ganyan dati, pero first time ko siya dito na may pabilog. Ang galing. It's like an open window. You can you can make a wish. Dali, dali, dali. Dali mo, dali. Ay, thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. We are turning around Big Buddha. We're on top of the mountain. They are really beautiful. They are just finished renovation. It was not open before because they were under renovation, and now they're beautifully done. Wala na ni sunod niya. So there's in that area is the 1,000 Buddha there, little and big Buddha. So this is the big Buddha, the main one. And we're going to turn around. Respect for everybody. Paspas. Paspas kay ang dali tayo makakuan. Mani-excuse man ko. Ha? Dadto. Pag naano man ta sa likod, dadto. Hala, oy, ang ganda ng rainbow. Ang ganda ng rainbow. Hala, ang ganda ng rainbow. So dito kami galing kanina bumaba. What did I say? Di ba sabi ko ikot tayo? Likod mo ka. Ah, sige. Okay, tapos na kami guys.